Let's make sprouts chaat. For this we need boiled sprouts, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, chopped cucumber, boiled potatoes, save puris, lemon juice, salt, chopped coriander and some red chili powder. Let's start making our sprouts chaat. In a bowl, add sprouts, onions, cucumber, tomatoes, boiled potatoes, some salt, add broken save puris, lemon juice, red chili powder and some coriander. Now mix all of this really well. This sprouts chaat is a perfect snack. Garnish it with some crunchy save and freshly chopped coriander. Our sprouts chaat is ready. Do share